HONOR MagicBook 15 comes with many features like 65 watt USB Type-C charging, pop-up webcam, fingerprint scanner, and there is one more feature which is HONOR MagicLink 2.0. So guys, in this video I'll be discussing about the same, and my name is Akash. Let's just get started. So the first thing you need to do is to check if you are connected to internet or not, and make sure you are connected to internet. And after that you have to open this application which is the PC manager, and it is present on a MagicBook 15. And after this you need to just go to my phone section at the bottom, and once you will click on that, you will see that it is showing you to connect your phone. So once you will press it, and now it's scanning for the phone. So I have this Honor 10 with me, and which is running on EMUI 10. And make sure to open the NFC of the phone. So once you will tap on NFC, it will be open, and now you just have to put it like this. So this is the portion where you have to put, and the NFC of a smartphone is somewhere here. So just tap like this, and now it will ask you to connect the phone, to pair the phone actually. So just allow from both the sides, from your phone and the laptop too. Once it will be paired, after that you need to just put your phone like this, and please make sure you do not lock the screen, and just put it like this. After this you will see the phone screen is present on your laptop screen, and which is the Magic Desktop. So now just explore what we can do. So we can just swipe from any of the screen which is present on our mobile phone, and you can see your mobile phone here. We can open the application like I just did, and this is the Honor Club guys, and you can also visit the Honor Club for latest information about the Honor MagicBook 15 and other Honor products, and you will get all the tutorials and tips and tricks whatsoever you want about the Honor MagicBook 15 over here in the Honor Club India. Also guys, if I want to copy any of the file from my mobile phone to the laptop, so I do not need to connect it via USB or something like that. I just need to drag the file on my desktop or in any of the folder, and it will be copied. And now I can open the file from the Honor MagicBook 15 itself. So now let's try with the photos and check if the photo file is supporting this or not. So yes, you can drag the photos too. And now let's just open this, and guys you can see that the photo is also copied on my Honor MagicBook 15 desktop. So this is a very useful feature, because most of the times now people use their smartphone for all the media exchange and all that. So this is really a good and helpful feature. And guys, you can also play the music without just copying it to your Honor MagicBook 15. We are the flame, we are the bold, we can be anything, anything, anything. We are the light, we light the dark, we can do everything, everything, everything. So guys, as you can see that this Honor MagicLink 2.0 feature is really very important and very useful. And guys, now most of the time what happens that each and every media exchange or file exchange is being done by this mobile phone. So this is really a good feature. And guys, if you like my work, so hit that like button and share this video with your friends and family, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So take care.